A chandelier in a hotel room? Super modern decorations in the entrance. Wireless chargers built in at the hotel living room. Many free drinks in the fridge. A massage chair with a view of the beautiful Cotai. A built-in steam room in your private shower. A huge modern living room area with a gigantic television. And of course a huge king-size bed with another humongous television. Let's begin by the entrance. We can already see the luxurious modern styling of the suite. And as we entered, we can already see the living room with huge windows at the back allowing a decent amount of sunlight entering the suite. And when we turn to our left, we can see the dining area at the far end. And there's actually a Chinese tea table here. This is more or less a design targeted for the Chinese market. This kind of tea table is very widely used in China. Let's check out the dining area. On the left of the dining area, there is actually a guest restroom. This is a very decent size for a guest restroom for any hotel suites that I ever stayed. On the opposite end of the dining table, there is an actual kitchen here. This is a very modern styled kitchen. I was surprised to see anything like this in a hotel suite. There are some free snacks here, some waters, a coffee machine, and quite some selections of free drinks in the fridge as well. We even have a city view inside this kitchen as well. I'm still amazed how they provided their guest with an actual full-sized kitchen. Anyways, let's continue our tour. As we headed back out to the living room area, I found a massage chair facing a nice city view of the Cotai area. There is even a television here just for this rest area as well. They actually used quite a lot of these golden colored shelves to separate different areas, and I quite liked it. And this is quite a decent sized living room area with a huge television. I'm not sure if you can tell, I'm sure this is at least a 80-inch TV. That was all the appetizers. Time for the main course of the suite, the bedroom. First thing I saw in this room is actually how big the TV is. And the huge windows at the back, which is also the same view I got from both the kitchen and the living room as well. Then here comes the dressing room with all the closets, safe, and a large dressing table for the ladies. And just around the corner, we have one of the most luxurious hotel bathrooms I ever seen. Marble countertops with gold trims around the mirrors and surroundings, smart toilet, rain shower with steam, and a jacuzzi tub at the back by the window.